Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to fix an LG washer that makes a grinding noise and won't spin. So you can see here I'm setting it to spin by putting the spin speed to extra high and then hitting start. It says it's spinning, but if you look in here, it's not moving at all, and it makes that grinding noise. You can hear from under here. So what's really going on here is the washer can't spin until it drains the water out of there. So it's trying to do that first, and its grinding noise is actually coming from a broken pump behind here. The original error code on here was OE, which means that the pump is clogged, but it's not really clogged, it's completely broken. I've got a pan to try to catch any water we spill, and let's take a look. If we squeeze here, we can actually pop this door right off. Pull out this hose and pull off the tip to drain it. Next, you want to unscrew this filter and make sure it's clean. And I know mine is because I just cleaned it. With the filter out, let's see if we can verify the noise is coming from in there. And it definitely is. And with all the water drained out, it's spinning just fine. We'll take off this plastic plate to get a better look at the pump. Pull the washer away from the wall, and now I'm going to tip it up and back. The two screws that hold in the pump are under the washer in this hole right here. The third screw holding in the pump is actually right there behind this piece of metal, so I'm just going to drill a hole here to get to it. And out comes the last screw. So now we can reach under and pull the pump out. Here's the broken pump that we'll remove with 3 screws. And there's our problem. Quite obviously, the impeller is broken right off the pump. I'm pulling these 2 wires off to disconnect it. I got my model number off the manual, and I'm ordering a new pump. I'll put a link to this in the video description. Here's the new pump, and we'll have to move the plastic shroud over from the old. Pry out here on both sides to get it off. Reconnect your wires, polarity doesn't matter. Put the pump back on and screw it down. Next, we'll feed this rubber hose up and through this hole. Now push all this up and back into place. Front screw. And under here. Cover back on. Filter back in. Door. We just started another load. And here we are in spin mode, which means the pump worked to get the water out. My other appliance videos are over there. Thanks for watching.